is up? It is me. Hi. I'm using a camcorder. No, you closed it on me. In the future, our hands are off. The wild's going. We're gonna die. No, we're gonna die. Woo. Oh. 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 Look, little baby sign. So shaky. So shaky. Hold on, turn on stabilization. Stabilization. Indiana. Indiana. We're in Indiana. Whoa. Yeah. I'm trying the date. June 11th, 25. Guess what's playing on this super duper high tech thing? Never gonna give you up, Mr. Rick. Oh, it's blurry. Okay, so we have learned that the camera does not work. Hold power at the moment. So dude, what is that guy? What is he? It don't hold power, so I might only be able to get car footage, which is interesting. Still good for me, my sake. Just trying this out, but there's a cone. Yeah. How do I turn on this? It's me. And there's Indianapolis on a camcorder. Oh, there's a building. Ken, call your Ken. Call your hello. Yeah.
See what's behind the building.
Shop. Big place. Porta potties. Wow.
Better? Is it still laggy?
Is it working? It's working. Mom was trying to get her phone on wet because she dropped it in ketchup. And oh. Yeah. Yeah, it has to be plugged in, which is so blurry, gee. Wet. Right there, straight down. I don't even know what I'm recording this for, but it's okay. Let's go now. Let's act like this thing is definitely not plugged in. That is safe. He's there. He flew there somewhere. He flew there. He's a little hopping around. I zoomed in on him. Oh, he flew away.
Please wait. The arm moves to pull, to close this, to pull forward. Let's go eat a sandwich.
And then we're leaving. We're leaving the town. Oh, truck, get out of my way. You truck. Oh, there we go. There's the stadium. It turns night. Oh. 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 Yeah. Who North America? So we just went to Who North America, which is a cool place. And then I got a sonic screwdriver, which is the one that I got, but it's broken. It's loud. And then we got two shirts. It's a Doctor Who shirt and a unit shirt, which is pretty nice. But we got a nice place. This is nice. Friendship. Friendship. We got. There's this mysterious person named Rose, and this mysterious guy named Saxon. I don't know who they are, but I think something weird's going on. Oh, it's Doctor Who. It's Doctor Who. And they're open. And we just went, and we got some crap. Well, when I say we, I mean me. It's all mine. It's all mine.
Till next time.
Till next time. There's still 7 minutes of footage. I'm still
That's
gonna
the way
record a
that
bunch of
cookie
crap.
crumbles.
Yeah. Bye. Chick-fil-A.
It's me. Hi. 0 minutes. Sounds like it's still whirring. I don't know. It's, in my room, which is kind of messy, so please don't judge, but I'm playing some music.